Hi, Professor Quayne and Amanda. This is Group 14 for our final project. Victoria, Katie, Sunny, Dominique, James, and Alyssa. We did April 4th, 2017 and April 5th, 2017. If you go over here to our navigation and click Day 1 Orders, you will see our menu items, our selling prices, our item costs, how many we sold, total sales, total cost, and our gross profit is highlighted in green. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see our total gross profit was $1,517.72. Our number of guests were 69. Our number of parties were 29. Our average check per guest was $30.87, and our average check per party was $73.45. If you scroll back up to the top, hit Day 2 Orders, you'll see the same lineup as Day 1. Let's scroll to the bottom and see our total gross profit, which was $2,185.92. Our number of guests were 69, number of parties were 37. Average check per guest was $45.17, and our average check per party was $84.24. Our gross profit is significantly higher than Day 1. Go back up to the top and you'll see our average check per guest. On Day 1, it was $76.16. Day 2, $84.57, and we have a nice little chart here. Our average check per party on Day 1, we had 29 total parties, and the average was $73.45. Day 2, we had 32 total parties, which averaged $84.24. We have another chart for you here. These are our sales volume by hour. 6 to 8 on Day 1, our sales were $1,193.20, and 6 to 8 on Day 2, we had $679.05, which equaled out to $1,872.25. From 7 to 8, they were a little lower. Day 1, we had $499.40, and Day 2, $839.87, which equals out to $1,339.27. 8 to 9 on Day 1, we had $515.39, and for Day 2, $1,172.69, totaling $1,688.08. 9 to 10, I guess we didn't have a server that night, $0. Day 2, $437.41, which is the total. And here was our chart. 6 to 8 had the highest sales, while 9 to 10 had the lowest sales. On Day 1, I, Victoria, served Katie and James. I had the highest sales, then James had the middle sales, and Katie had the lowest sales for the night. On Day 2, Alyssa, Dominique, and Sunny served. Dominique had the highest, then Alyssa had the middle, and Sunny had the lowest. As stated earlier, our gross profit for Day 1 totaled $1,517.72. And for Day 2, $2,185.92. This tab over here, I have both of them combined. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Both gross profits for Day 1 and 2 came out to $3,703.64. And lastly, our top 5 most popular foods on our first day were the surf and turf, fried flounder, crab imperial, linguine with clams, and our chocolate lava cake. And for our second day, we had surf and turf, fried flounder, crab imperial, linguine with clams, and grilled salmon with rice. Thank you and have a great summer.